Today we're going to demonstrate how to string up your hops and how to train your hops. So I use this large tripod ladder, and I've got some of my hop twine. So here we go, going up. You don't have to have any kind of special knot. It's basically any old knot that will hold her up here. Okay, my strings are up. Now, the easiest way to do this is just by driving a stake into the ground here. I've got this basically wooden stake. I put these little notches on here in order to hold the twine to the stake. These stakes, they can stay in the ground all year round, but I just kind of wanted to show you what I use when I use stakes. That should be good. Get equal tension. Wrap that on there. Plenty of rope here, plenty of string twine. My trellis isn't quite as tall as some trellises, so I'll be able to cut that off. So now we have our string ready to go. We've got our beautiful hops all ready to go. So the sun goes across the sky from the east to the west. So these vines will also want to do that. So as you're looking at the ground, that's the same thing as clockwise. So I'm going to grab a little handful of vines here and just get them up here on the string and just give them a little twist clockwise onto the string. There's one. Here, those are a little too far away, so we'll be putting other strings down the line here to get to the other ones. Here's a good one right here. I like to do 2 or 3 vines per string. Just kind of wrap them on there, and they'll stay on there. These vines are not super long, but you get the idea. So there you go. They're trained, and now they'll start wrapping around here, and you really don't have to do anything. Just add some water and keep the weeds down, and you'll be hopping to it.